YouTube, this is Lydia. I'm in a Cascada Blanca, making a little bit of tours, and it's a lot of stuff in here coming on. It's a hotel, it's a massage place, Zumba class. The Cascada Blanca is so beautiful. It's all kayak and it's a lot of stuff. See? And down, 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 down. Okay. Okay. See? All this. And it's a reception, it's a restaurant, it's a hotel, it's a sendero for love, it's a Mirador Jaguar. The food in here is fantastic. Right here is a Mirador, Cueva y Cascada. Okay. See? Look at that beautiful. Look at the river over there. It's so really cool. Oh, it's very, very clean. Very clean. And this is Sendero del Amor. See? It's something about love. And you say, I love you. Okay. There's no garbage in here. All the garbage thing is around here. We'll not put a garbage on the floor. It's very clean. Okay. I'm gonna be down, down. All this stuff over here is really nice. This is a little place for people's love. Look at. There's a lot of people in there. The name is Cueva. You can go in there. See?
Con la temática de Barbie el día de mañana. Siempre con actividades en Cascada Blanca.
Yes, there's a little restaurant over here. You see it? There's a lot of people over there. Look at.
Dentro de momento vamos a tener la parte de las actividades de la tarde.
More table over there.
Para activarnos ahorita
There's a lot of activities over here, like Zumbas,
también para que podamos
massage,
aprovechar las
and all the
actividades en
kind of
Cascada Blanca. Si
stuff.
todavía no he ido a la parte de
That's the
la
restaurant.
cascada, para que pueda ir a caminar detrás de la cascada, llegar hasta la cueva. Ahí está instalada en la zona de camping, el área de camping que tenemos hoy.
Hey, YouTube. We've kind of been through this area already once. I'm going to kind of run through it again real quick. We had a little problem with our with our video. So I'm gonna run you through here. Leaving the restaurant, once you get through the little kind of entrance area, when you get down here to the river, you can see that like there's a wishing well there. There's a kayak. I'm guessing you can take a kayak down this river. I haven't seen anybody do that yet. We have seen a lot of people that were swimming in the river earlier. So there's some little spots, like when we came here earlier, this little spot right here, there was a bunch of people swimming. So beautiful little area. Lydia gave me the handoff, but she may have told you this is called Cascada Blanca, the White Cascade, and it's an eco lodge. You can come here. They have massages and restaurants, and of course the main attraction is right there, big waterfall. And I'm going to take you right around into the behind the waterfall. You can actually go camping. There was some tents set up back behind the waterfall. You could tell people obviously have had a big fire going back there. So I guess at night you can camp back there and get a little fire going. There's swings and stuff back there for the kids that I'll show you. It's just a really cool area. You can come here and spend the whole day and just kind of relax, do the massage and everything, and have a couple nice leisurely meals. It's really a beautiful area. Really wet here, so it's not very slippery, but I'm trying to make sure I don't end up taking a spill. This is where you get soaked right here. So definitely should have had the GoPro today instead of the iPhone, but it's really cool back here. Anybody sitting at work in a cubicle wondering if they could get out of there a few years early, you're watching the right channel. Lydia and I are traveling between Mexico and Argentina for the next 4 or 5 years in search of our favorite retirement city. So first stop, Lydia's home country of Nicaragua. We are cool weather lovers, so we are currently living in Matagalpa, Nicaragua. This place is about a 25-30 minute drive from our house. And it's just beautiful. Just one of many places you can go check out. Doing swings here for the kids. And so you can see where people are having fires back here in tents. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick peek around. So we're back behind now. You can see where the restaurant is over there. It's a beautiful, very relaxing area. Really peaceful here. Temperature's really not bad. It's not hot, but it's very humid in the whole area. Today is Saturday, so there's a lot of people here. I imagine if you come during the week, there's hardly anybody here. Lodge has 3 dogs. We made friends with a black one named Jaguar. She ate about half of my french fries. And anyway, just a very cool place. So I hope you all get a chance to come over and see Casablanca. Remember, you're bored, you're like me in the fourth quarter of life, looking for an adventure before you get too old, so you get to the point where you can't have an adventure anymore. Just remember, there's so many beautiful places to live, low cost of living, and remember, if you're bored, there has to be something more.